Thank you very much. My name is Bonginkosi Khanyile, the former president of MKP Youth League, the national head of mobilization of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I am here to forward my sincere gratitude, to forward my words of appreciation to the national leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe, to the first respondent of Umkhonto weSizwe, which is President Zuma, the national officials, the national high command, the provincial detachments in all 9 provinces, the regional detachments, the zonal leaders, the branch leaders, the VD leaders, the members of Umkhonto weSizwe, the supporters of Umkhonto weSizwe, the national members of parliament, the national staff, the provincial legislatures in all 9 provinces, and all staff members of Umkhonto, supporters and our sister organization, to the youth league members and leadership, to the women's league members and its leadership, and to all structures of Umkhonto weSizwe. I am here to humbly appreciate the messages of support, the messages of gratitude, the words of encouragement that come with the new appointment as the head of mobilization of Umkhonto weSizwe. It is a position which is very important. It's a position which is at the nerve center of the party. It's a position that we ought to lead with utmost responsibility and the necessary political fortitude. But equally, it is a position that deals with direct members of Umkhonto weSizwe. I think with this position, to all members of Umkhonto weSizwe, we are saying, let's now pull up our sleeve and get our hands dirty. Let's now begin to do the real groundwork. Let's now mobilize everyone, all members, supporters, lovers. We even mobilize the haters of Umkhonto weSizwe for the 2/3 majority. And for us to begin to see our 2/3 majority, it is going to be seen in the polls with the coming local government elections. We ought to mobilize all our numbers. We are here to work with all members, and we are here to bring the necessary energy into the organization and into the platform that are given by the organization. I'm genuinely humble from the bottom of my heart. Ngiyabulela, asibambisane, asisebenzisane, asihloniphane, asakheni Umkhonto weSizwe, asivoteleni Umkhonto weSizwe ngobuningi bethu. Kukhuluma mina uBonginkosi Khanyile, national mobilizer womkhonto weSizwe. Simobilizer kwasana, sibheke okhethweni. Ngithi ngibonge nje komama bomkhonto, niyazi ke yini nazi, asihlangane phansi emphakathini, sihlangane phansi emakhoneni wonke eSouth Africa, asimobilize bonke abantu ukuthi abasupporte, abahambisane nokomkhonto nobaba uNcamalala uZuma. Ngiyabonga.